Our statement of inquiry says, exploring the interconnectedness and interdependence of communities throughout time enhances understanding of the world today. This is kind of the main idea of our first unit, Western Europe. This is what we are going to study, and this is what the statement that we are going to prove during this whole unit. However, this statement is very complex, and when we first read it, we think, I don't know what all these words mean. So remember, we can break it down a little bit. Let's define our two major words. Our first word is interconnectedness, and this means having internal or external connections between two or more things. It means that items are joined or related on Earth. In addition, we can define interdependence. Two or more things that are relying on each other for support. This could be people relying on people. It could be people relying on objects, or objects relying on other objects on Earth. So now we can break down our statement of inquiry. And we could say that exploring the interconnectedness, and instead of saying interconnectedness, we could write connections, and the interdependence of communities. And instead of interdependence of communities, we could say communities that are relying on each other. And when we see throughout time, we can change that to during history. And finally, we can change enhances to makes it clear. Then, now that we've broken down our statement of inquiry and annotated that statement to make it more clear what some of the words mean, we've put it all together and we came up with a class translation of our statement of inquiry based on our own words. Instead